Hello everyone, I'm Orion from OS Tech World, and today I'm going to tell you all future of PyCharm. Hope you all know about PyCharm. Let me explain about PyCharm first, and then we can move on that future. Okay, PyCharm is an IDE which you use for your development purpose, for making your development process faster, and to develop your code in faster way. And so here, today I'm going to tell you and explain all the things about PyCharm first and then RESTful APIs. Listen, ID क्या होता है? कि ID होता है इंटीग्रेटेड डेवलपमेंट इन्वायरमेंट, जो कि मल्टीपल नंबर ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर्स अवेलेबल है मार्केट में, जो कि आप यूज कर सकते हैं। पर जो पाइथन डेवलपर्स होते हैं, और जो कि पाइथन का एक फ्रेमवर्क है जेंगो, जो कि बहुत फेमस है। होप यू ऑल नो अबाउट जेंगो एज वेल। जेंगो एक फ्रेमवर्क है जो कि आपके वेब डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस को फास्टर बनाता है। मीन्स अगर कोई न्यू है दैट वेब डेवलपमेंट में, तो वो जेंगो का यूज करके वेबसाइट विद इन 1 और 2 डेज में अच्छी तरह नॉर्मल स्टार्टिंग कर देता, बनाना सीख जाता है। Means, उसको इजी टू क्रिएट डेटाबेसेस होता है। मीन्स वो इजी टू यूज ऑल ओवर जेंगो. So today I'm going to tell you all that one trick you can use your REST APIs within your PyCharm. Means क्या होता है, बहुत से डेवलपर होते हैं तो वो क्या करते हैं कि मीन्स नंबर ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर्स और एक्सटर्नल रिसोर्सेज यूज करते हैं to test their REST APIs. Like they use Postman and they use a terminal process and long processes. So make your development faster. You can use a tool which is inbuilt in your PyCharm. That you can use that tool from here. You can go in tool section of your PyCharm, and then you can click on test RESTful web services. Okay, so when you will click there, then you will see a prompt like this, or a terminal like this, and then you can means give any input here. यहाँ पे आप जो भी आपकी API के एंड पॉइंट है API के, वो आप यहाँ पे पुट कर सकते हैं, and then you can test all the APIs. Like let me give you an example so you will understand it in a very clear way. ओके, सो यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करते हैं। मैंने एक पहले से एक डेमो के लिए एपीआई इंटरनेट से एक्वायर कर ली थी। सो लेट अस टेस्ट दैट एपीआई. ओके, सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन द आर्ग्यूमेंट्स एंड लेट्स टेस्ट इट. See, I have received the data from that server. So here you can see a response that which you have received when you request from the server. Okay, so see, here is the response. So you can make your web development more faster rather than using external sources like Postman and other sources. In my point of view, you can use this tool as well. So see here, and you can check your local host. You can also check your local host APIs, that whichever you are means testing in your local server. See, I have already started my local server in background, and here we can see that yes, I have requested some data. So I have received here. So let me copy this link, this endpoint, and put it here. And remove this. See, now we can see we will receive data from local server as well. See, here is data that I have received the ID, that I have requested for ID number 16, the detail of ID number 16. So it is given me the detail of ID number 16. So let's try for 18. Not found, because it is not existed in my database. That's why it's saying not found. So here it is working fine, and you can make your web development more faster by using inbuilt tool rather than going here and there or for using external resources. And you can also means request using your request body, like whatever kind of parameter you want to pass. See, here I have passed these parameters like format is equal to JSON and types is equal to ebook, like that. Okay, so you can also means that send your own arguments with the URL. within the endpoint. So here, that's all for today. Hope you all like this, and if you liked it, so kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel and like it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching OS Tech World.